So, since this fine etablissement doesn't offer any breakfast, I decided to make myself some coffee now. Buenos dias, my friends. Yeah, it's something about 9:15 right now. I will pack up and leave now. My today's goal is Lepe, which should be pretty close to the Portugal border. And after that I will hit Lagos, or Lagos, how they seem to say. Yeah. Didn't do anything special yesterday. I was in the city, but to be fair, I really don't get along with this Spanish thing where everything is closed up until 8 o'clock in the evening. Because that's usually where I'm the most tired after the whole day of riding. So, yeah.
It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, I will drive something like 455 kilometers today in the direction of Lepe, which is relatively close to the Portugal border, so the southwest border to be exact, southeast border. Arrived. It's closed.
Good morning. It is, I think, 8:30 in the morning. Let me have a look. Close enough. Yeah, my today's goal is Portugal, where I will have the last sausage or bratwurst before America. And after that, I'm going to Lagos. But yeah, first of all, I'm going downstairs and see if my bag is still there and having a cigarette. So, since this fine etablissement doesn't offer any breakfast, I decided to make myself some coffee now. Because I really need something like coffee right now. All done. So, coffee done. Let's have a taste. Hot. Okay, it's something like 9 o'clock now and I'm heading off now, so yeah, weather is cloudy, which could be a good thing, so I don't sweat to death. But then again, also it's only 9 o'clock, so this might change very fast. Yeah. Well, off to the last sausage before America.
Ah, what a nice morning. It's not too hot, neither too cold. Hopefully it stays like this, but I doubt that. Yeah, fell asleep pretty early yesterday, which was more or less planned. So I booked this hotel in the middle of nowhere. So I can relax a bit, just watch some Netflix and actually cut the video, which I didn't do. Because yeah, I watched 2 episodes of Happy and then I was so tired that I basically just fell asleep. So now after Portugal I have like 275 kilometers ahead of me, which is not that much, at least to my first stop, and after that I have to drive a bit back, which will total out in about 320 kilometers. Yeah, so it's now 9:35. My end goal is Lagos. Yeah, booked like a apartment over there, small one. Had a little bit of contact with the owner, just to ask him if I can park my motorcycle right in front of his house, because all the other parking spots would be way off. And he replied and told me, yep, that's not a problem. So, Portugal, here I come. Border crossing incoming. So, Portugal, right ahead of me. Let's make a first good impression and not drive like a madman through there.
So I actually got my sausage and also this nice picture, but I was too stupid to actually record it. So here, see these glorious pictures.
So it officially can't be any more southwest than this one. At least not in Europe. I arrived, and I also had my letzte Bratwurst, so I am happy.
So just a quick heads up about my room. This is it. Quite nice actually. The balcony I will show you later. This is particularly awesome. Which is not in this room, which is outside. Yeah, I will now head down and see what the city life has to offer. It's 20 o'clock right now, so I've been to the inner city, to the old town of Lagos, had some mussels to eat, something to drink, enjoyed the scenery and some live music. Yeah, but I think now I will call it a day because I'm getting tired. So I will cut the video material I collected yesterday and today and uploaded it for you. So I wish you the very best and see you next time.